Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. At the first you have to go smoothly for the settings. Next you have to go for the wallpaper. Right now you can choose My Wallpapers, Gallery or Wallpaper Services. If you want to set your own wallpaper, you have to go for the Gallery and you can choose Photo, Screenshot or Screen Recorder. I will take My Wallpapers that I set up default in the smartphone. So for example, I'm going to apply this wallpaper. Click on it and then tap lock screen. Click to set on the lock screen. And take a look right now. Right now our wallpaper has changed. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.